Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with this 3 packets of namkeen, and there was special offer going on and it's from a brand Haldiram. So the first one is nut cracker spicy coated fried peanuts. So the other one is bhujia, and the last one is that moong dal namkeen. So let's open this. So in the price of 2, I got 3 namkeen. So this is the moong dal, salty fried split moong bean snack. This is the savory spiced teriyaki beans flour noodles. So bhujia is known as noodles, okay? So over here it's written bhujia. And these are the yum. I love that nut crackers. The pack sizes, this is 200 gram, 200 gram, 200 gram. So let's start with the moong dal. It's good for health, moong dal, and it's written over here that it's source of protein. Moong dal is really nice and high in fiber. So it's written cut from here, and then we just eat it. This is how it, camera, yes, focused. This is how it looks like. Nice, crispy. Yum. The second is bhujia. So friends, as you can see, there's a green label over here. It shows that it's pure veg. So in all the namkeen you could see this. The noodles one. Let me open this properly so that you could see the big fried. So here comes the one. The small pieces are coming. I'm looking for the big one. Come on. Here comes. So this is how, whatever they have shown over here, it's here. Don't mind this black is nothing. It's a black pepper. Now the third one. It's a product of India. Yes, everyone knows Haldiram. It's a product of India and very well known brand. So it's a source of protein and gluten free. See how beautiful it tastes. Yum. Let's have it. Lovely. A little bit of tanginess is there. Spice, perfect. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.